Hello there, this is Deborah, and today I am making some soap. I have my hard oils here, and I have my lye solution already made up. Now this is going to be a heat transfer method, because I'm running out of time. I have a lot of things I'm trying to get done, and today was a day I didn't want to wait on the oils to heat up and the lye solution to get ready. That means both temperatures pretty close together. With this method, you just go ahead and pour your lye solution over into your unmelted oils, and the lye solution will melt the oils. I don't do this. I do make this a lot, but I don't usually videotape it a lot because usually I just make products and get them ready for the farmers market, the craft shows. So videotaping a lot of my things that I've made I have not done, but today, needing to make a video, needing to get it out the way, here we go. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and go through this process. I will come back somewhere down the line here to explain what happened. And I will be doing the cut as well. Thank you and have an awesome day. Bye. Oh, I'm back, and I have to tell you, this soap is a hot mess. I'm very disappointed here. As you can see, it's just got all kind of things going on with it. Rising and curling up, and oh boy. We're talking about almost 80 ounces of ingredients to make this soap. And one simple little mistake, as you can see here with the ricin, was my fragrance that I used. I used Blue Hawaiian. It had, I believe, 2.5% vanilla. It's not the fragrance oil fault. It's my fault because one of the problems I saw coming was when I decided, I kind of knew I would have some troubles with it because it had a little vanilla in it. And it wasn't so much the color. I didn't mind it turning dark in some areas. So I thought, well, I would just, since it's going to turn a little dark, I'll just put it in a darker color that I have and it'd be okay. Well, that was not the problem. The problem was that it riced up. The fragrance and the ingredients that's in this one batch of color that it riced up. It got very curdle as I was stirring it. So that was my cue. That was the answer. Don't use it. Don't use it. I heard that little voice saying, don't use it. And if you think about it, you got 90 ounces of soap ingredients over a couple of ounces of your fragrance oil in one batch of your colorants. Don't use it. But I didn't listen to that little voice. It pays to listen to that little still voice, especially when you know you've made a lot of soap and when you've had this problem, what it leads to. But, I don't know if I really don't have an excuse because I'm not a new soaper. I'm an old-time soaper. Old gal, been around. But sometime when you reason with yourself to go ahead and do something, you're going to pay the price. And the price today it's called having to redo this whole batch of soap. And I really don't like to rebatch. Only time I don't mind rebatching is when I don't really have smell in my soap, or like it like this. It came out some colors. The colors was good, but got this problem. You have to rebatch it. And what rebatching means is that you have to do a hot process method. That's put it all in the crock pot, shred it all down, put it in the crock pot, and recook it, and to bring it back, I said redefine. Redefine your soap and add more color and just, shoot, it'll be okay. You can use it then. So it's not a loss, not at all. Because like I said, when you're old soaper, there's ways that you can go about to bring your soap to the next level. And that's what I'm having to do. But this wasn't something I was looking forward to dealing with because I really needed this soap to be okay today. It's just it's really firmed up where everything was right, but where the curdle and the ricin part is soft and a hot mess, as they say. So I don't know why I'm keep on cutting it because I guess I'm looking for some different results here. I really needed to have a good soap day, but I'm gonna get a good laugh off this and move on. And as I said, rebatching, here I come. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope the next one I won't be a disappointment with this soap, and it'll be awesome. Things happen when you're in the soaping world. You just never know what you're gonna get, but it does pay. As a little gold nugget for you today, hear that little still voice telling you don't. It pays to listen to it, especially in this case. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an awesome and a blessed day. And there's more to come, and hopefully it will get better. Bye now.